Hi, welcome to SEO Framework, and today I want to share a little bit about SEO. Now, SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, or the ability to rank on the first page of Google. Now, just think a little bit. You and I, probably when we go to Google, we only go to page one, maybe a little bit of page two, but rarely page three. So let's think about it. On page one, there's only 10 positions that is available on the first page of Google. Only 10 positions. Now, think of all the companies in your country, or let's say in Malaysia, right? We have tens of, hundreds of, even thousands of companies that is want to rank on the first page of Google, but it's only 10 positions. So think about it. If you're able to rank on the first page of Google, not only you get very, very targeted traffic, but most of the time, if you're a business owner or you are affiliate business, you will probably make a lot of money simply because when people go to Google, they have the intent to purchase. Yeah. So you need to understand that when people go to Google, usually they'll go with three intentions. Yeah. Number one, they use it for navigation. So navigation means like say, for example, you're hungry and you want to eat in a certain place. You Google the location. Google tells you the location. Navigation can also mean like, for example, you know a certain website, but you forgot the exact URL. So you use Google and you get the exact link, correct? You click on it, it goes to the website. So that's for navigation. The second is for information. For example, you're looking to buy, or you are looking to travel and you're looking for maybe the election news. You're looking for information, correct or not? But the third one, which is the one that I'm more interested and keen of, it is intent to buy. Now, you see, before, when we want to buy anything, we will use Google to get feedbacks, to get data, and to do our research, right? Huh? So that's the most important thing that I believe that I think everyone, you and I, everyone else, use Google to validate certain data. And they have intent to buy. And if let's say they want to buy things, they will click on the first page, which is the top, number one, number two, or number three, or even position number 10. But then again, when they click and they make a purchase, you will probably get a sale. So that is why today Google is such an important tool in our everyday life. So that's a simple introduction about SEO.